Excel Module 3 Advanced 2 drop-down. So this one has 3 worksheets, and the first one, what we're going to do is add dates. So down at the bottom, I'd like to add February 14th and May 21st, and then 2 on the right-hand side. So I'd split the year 6 months on one side and 6 on the other. So if I wanted to insert, so it would be after February 14th would be after the 8th. If I click on the 6 and insert a row, I'm getting it in both places. So if I put 14 here, which is fine, but I don't need this space on this side because I don't have a date for the August. So what you would do instead is just select these 2 cells and click insert. Then you would type 14th there, and the other one's May 21st, so just A and B of 16, insert, and then type this 21st. And then the next one is July 12th, so that would go right here above, because it always inserts above. Insert, and then I would put the 12. And the next one's October 31st, so I'd actually select November 9th, insert, and then I'll type in 31st. So that's how you can insert cells. Another way you can do it is if you were to, I'm just going to take that out. If you right click, you could choose insert, and then you'd have to tell it that you want the shift the cells down so that you can put it in here. Either way works fine. So the next thing you want to do is look at sports. And I have a list of people's names, and what I want to do is create what we call the drop-down list. So if you're ever shopping online, there's always a down arrow, and you can choose small, medium, large, or maybe courses you would select and have choices. So we want to create a drop-down box that has choices. So the first thing you need to do, so I'm going to go to drop-down, is actually create your choices. And if you want, you can add or get rid of or do whatever you want. Just get it completed right now. So you can have 4 items, 5 items, 6 items, whatever you want. Change any of the sports or categories to anything you'd like, because it's going to be your drop-down box. All right, once you're all set, go back to sports. Now select the range, and a range is a set of cells that you actually select. So that's a range. All of these are the ones that I want to have a drop-down in it. So you selected your range, choose data, and then click, you're going to click data validation. Yours may say it on the screen, but it's data validation, so go ahead and select that. And under the allow, select list, and then in order to get your source, click this up arrow, and it's waiting for your source. So click what sheet it's located on, then select the range of your list, and when you're finished, click this. Notice this is the location that it'll look for your drop-down list, and then click OK. Now when we're in here, everyone has a drop-down list, and you can pick anything you like. You don't have to do all of them. I get the idea of it, but you can just move around and you have a drop-down list. The only thing is you need to keep this drop-down list so you could have it on a sheet at the end, because the formula is reading off of that list. But you've created your own drop-down list. Go ahead and you don't have to worry about a header or footer or anything. Just save and submit. Thank you.